Hi guys, hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite person, it's your girl again, and I'm back with another hairstyle video. If you are new to my channel, my friend, I say a very big welcome to you. Please do also subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So today's hairstyle is Boho braids. It's been trending everywhere, so I decided to try this hairstyle on my short TYPE4 hair. So I'm just patting my hair to get ready before getting into the real deal. You know, my hair is already moisturized, guys. So I'm going to put my already moisturized hair in 6 sections to make it easier for me to work with. Like if you don't want to have troubles with the other part of your hair when you're making it, first you want to section your hair. That way it will be easier, very easy for you to work with your hair. I'm going to start with the sections at the back, the 2 sections at the back, before moving on to other sections of my hair. Since I'm starting with the 2 sections at the back of my head, obviously that's I'm going to start from anyways. So I'm just parting my hair into smaller sections. I'm parting that section into smaller sections. Section into smaller sections. Section. I play a lot. I'm going to parting my hair into smaller sections, and I'm definitely okay with the size I'm working with right here. But like I always say, this is something I say like in all my videos, you can make yours bigger or smaller. Your size depends on you. But I'm okay with the size I'm going to be working with here. I'm perfectly and definitely okay with the size I'm working with here. Once you're fully satisfied with the size you're going to be working with, you don't want to go ahead and divide it into 3. You want to go ahead and divide it into 3 and begin to cross on each other. Please watch the video closely to get a better understanding on what I'm going to be saying. So once you divide it into 3, you begin to cross on each other, and when you get to the point where you have to leave out a part of your hair or take out a part of your hair, go ahead and take out a little from the 3 divided parts. You don't want to take out so much and you don't want to take out too small, because when you take out too small, it won't be visible that there's a part of your hair left out. And once you take out too much, it will be too much on your hair. So you don't want to take out a little and you don't want to take out too small. But at the same time, don't make the mistake I made here. So I took out quite a lot, so you don't want to make the same mistake. So it's preferable to take out a medium size. And when you're done with that, use a bobby pin or an hair clip to hold it to the other part of your hair and just braid the rest of your hair. I'll be using this cheap gel I got from my local store to curl the part of my hair I took out, but of course you can use any curling cream or gel of your choice. So another thing is you can leave out your hair once or twice depending on the length of your hair. You can leave it out once, twice, or even more, but it depends on the length of your hair. So these are the exact reasons I'll be repeating on the other part of my hair. I'm going to divide my hair into 3, cross it on each other, that is, braid it, take out a little part of my hair, be it once or twice, and then just go ahead and coil it with the coiling cream or coily gel. I had to switch from using a bobby pin to an hair clip. The hair clip held my hair more firmly than a bobby pin. My hair just kept on slipping and slipping when I used the bobby pin, so I had to switch to an hair clip. And for the middle section, I'll be taking out my hair twice, or like I did with the back section. For the back, I took it out once, but for the middle, I'll be taking it out twice. And for the front, I'll be switching between once and twice. So that's what I'm really going to do for the middle section. I'm going to take it out twice. when I'm going to show you, I'm actually done my hair right now, and if you notice, the part I took out my hair is just too much and it's going to be very easy for my hair to tangle, but of course I'll be able to manage it. So that I said that you don't want to take out too much and don't take out too little for your hair. So I'm just going to be doing the front section now, and I'm going to be switching between once and twice of my hair. This is a reminder to subscribe to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and of course give this video a thumbs up, because this video deserves a like. So please give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Let me know how much you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if this tutorial was helpful, and also if there are other hairstyles you'd like me to make a video on, do well to comment down below. Let me know and I'll make a video on that hairstyle. We are done, guys. We are done finally. So this took me about 3 to 4 hours. To be honest, it took me about 3 to 4 hours to make this, and of course we are faster than I am. It can take a lesser time. So I went ahead to apply leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to apply this gel again to make my hair curled out stem. I'm not going to separate it anyhow. I'm not going to go ahead and apply the gel again to make my hair coil out. I'm just separating my hair while applying the gel to avoid more tangles. If you notice, the part I left out, the part of my hair I took out didn't coil out so much, and I think that's on the gel. I know my hair type, I have type 4 hair, so yours can look better if you use a better coiling cream or a better hair gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.